Hello! Do you know how to count in multiples of 50? Okay, that may sound quite difficult, but it's actually quite easy. So let's learn together. So, let's start with the number 50. All you have to do is to know the next number is you just have to go, what is 5 plus 5? And that equals 10. And then all you do is you just add another 0 because you've now become 100, which is a big number. Now the next one, this is where it becomes easier and easier. So all you have to do now is just go, put the 1 for the 100, and then just put the number 50 and copy it into there. So it becomes 150. And then like this one, all you do is you do the same thing, round it up to the nearest 100. So that would be 200. And it just keeps going on and on and on and on. So let's say we were on, I don't know, let's go a big number, 450. And if we wanted to add 50, all you do is just go to the next 100. So that would equal 500. And that is it. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!